Sometimes you see some really dope websites that you would love to replace in Figma. The problem is you don't know how to approach it. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can replicate or copy a website from scratch to finish in Figma. I'm going to show you two methods, one that is very fast and another one that is very slow. And I'll show you why I use the slow method. What's up guys, welcome back. Today is day 2 of the 100 days of design and webflow. And today, like I said yesterday, we're going to be building a site. But the thing is that before you build a site, you need to first design it, right? So I've seen the site of the building webflow, but I have to design it first. So I started documenting the process of me redesigning the page. So I thought, let me share a tip on how to replicate a website in Figma. And I said there are two ways, the slow way and the fast way. But first, why is it important to replicate sites? Before we get into it, let's first understand why it's important to copy designs. Because from the book, Still Like an Artist by Austin Kleon, he says something about how great artists copy designs. So if you're trying to be a great artist too, of course, or a great designer, what do? You copy great designs. This design is very nice and I know who created it. And I was like, wow, this guy's work is amazing. So that's why I'm doing this and why I recommend you do it too. Secondly, how do you copy websites? Let me show you. First, use plugins. We have the HTML to Figma. So if you come over here in Figma, we have a plugin called HTML to Design. Yeah, this is it. It is paid. It has a paid free trial and paid trial. I'll just show what I did. So this is what you put the link here and you just import it. That's it. I can also set it to how many pages you want, the big laptop, tablet, and just likes light or dark mode. So that's it. I did have I have 8 imports left, so I'm not going to show you how to do that. Try it out, and it's paid, but it has a free trial. So that's it. When I copied it, this is what the site gave me. You can see it's not perfect, some mistakes and likes. So the second method is just by copying it slowly. Use Chrome extensions like CSS Clipper, which I'll be showing you how to use. So this is the website I'm designing in Figma. As you can see, it's a landing page and it's very, very long. So I'm going to understand copywriting too and all of this from just doing this alone. But the main goal of this video is to show you how I'm approaching it. So firstly, what are the Chrome extensions I'm using? If you come over here to Ctrl+T, I'm using Arc browser. There's a Chrome extension called Grid Ruler. This one shows me you can drag it here, you can drag this here. So you can use it to understand the grid. Okay, which is aligned? Okay, these are all aligned. Over here is not aligned. Over here is here. So this one is here again. And like this one is over here. You can see this helps you understand alignment and the likes when looking at the websites, and you can study better. What other Chrome extension is out there that I use too? I use CSS Clipper. This one is even a fine one. You can actually come to the assets and export all. If you export all assets, you have everything here. They can import into Figma to redesign it. So like this as the asset of the website. So you have the images, the SVG icons, and every single thing. I didn't do this because it's becomes very messy and I don't want that. So what did I do instead? I use Ctrl+T. I use not Ctrl+T. I use the inspect panel. So I come here to inspect and I just take it to the breakpoint I want. I'm using 140 laptop, and I come over here to this one and I start looking at it. Okay, press this and look at this is a div, because I learned how to code last 3 months. So in the div, there's now, if you look at the HTML, the CSS, you see background image URL. So over here you see that it is a noise, and if you come over here you see this. So if you now tap on it, tap on it and you open in a new tab. If you open it now, you see this is the hero image. You can copy it into Figma and voila, or you can download it too, high quality file. So this even CSS Clipper can even get you this, because CSS Clipper only works for image elements, not background image elements. So these are the ways I'm learning to code better and approach how people design their websites. So that's what I did today, and I'm not done. If you look at it, this is what I've done so far, and I made sure I copied every single thing, like to the image and this chat stuff. I'm copying every single thing to the end of the website because I feel like this is how I can learn how to approach design. And when I'm doing webflow, I'm sure to be way faster. But for now, this is a slow method I'm taking, and I hope you can use it too, because at the end of the day, the goal is to improve our design skills, not just to finish the website. So with that said, that's it for this video. I hope you got some value, and let me know if you prefer to see me a time lapse of how I'm doing this. because I'll just next time I'll just add it to the video. For now, that's it. See you guys next time. Bye.